Get ready and start. In as much as the trial court would have the child before it and would be in a position to accurately assess the competence of the child to depose the objective decision of the trial court in this regard deserves to be accorded due respect. Stop the appellate court would interfere therewith only where the record indicates unambiguously that the child was not competent to dispose as a witness or that his deposition was tortured. Stop twin and mutually opposing considerations have to be borne in mind while ascertaining the competency of a child witness to justify. Stop on the one hand, the evidence of the child witnesses has to be assessed with caution and circumspection, given the fact that children, especially those of tender years, are open to influence and could possibly be tortured. Stop. On the other hand, credibility is attached to the evidence of a competent child witness, as children classically are assumed to bear no ill will and malice against anyone, and it is therefore much more likely that their evidence would be unbiased and uninfluenced by any extraneous considerations. Stop. It is always prudent to search for cooperative evidence where conviction is sought to be based to a greater or lesser extent on the evidence of a child witness. Stop. The availability of any such corroborative evidence would lend additional credibility to the testimony of the witnesses. Stop. Applying the above tests, we find no reason to discredit or disbelieve the testimony of S, which was consistent in all material particulars as recorded under section 164 of the Criminal Procedure Code on 25th March 2013 and thereafter during trial on 10th September 2013. Stop. The learned ASJ satisfied herself regarding the credibility and competence of section to satisfy by putting leading questions to him and eliciting answers thereto. Stop. As has already been noted herein above, the position in law is that the trial court is the best authority to arrive at an imposition regarding the competence of the child witness to satisfy, and unless there is an obvious reason to feel that such an impression has been arrived at without any valid justification, this court would be loath to interfere with. Stop. Nevertheless, we have perused the preparatory questions put by the learned ASJ, who recorded the statement of S under section 164 of the Criminal Procedure Code, and have also gone through Exhibit PW4C, which sets out the steps taken and precautious observed before recording the said statement. Stop.